guys, welcome back to As Good As We Can channel. I am Federica and today we are going to make a very easy sweet bun called Bun Christina, as my mother-in-law, because this bun she used to make it when I was coming here to Senegal, because I lived for 15 years in Milano for working, and then I met my husband, and my mother-in-law always used to make this bun when I was coming, and it was nice because I really loved it. It's very good, and I have a lot of friends that asked me the recipe after they came here and they tasted it. So I think it's a nice idea to share it with you because it's really simple and everyone can do it. So I'm gonna read the ingredients. 350 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 3 eggs, 100 grams of a bit melted butter, so it's easier to mix, 1 spoon of milk, and 16 grams of baking powder, and chocolate cream or marmalade. I mean, you can use what you want inside, so, but it should be creamy. So marmalade or chocolate cream, how you want. I used to use the mixer to cook this bun. She's Gilda, my mixer. But I know that a lot of people don't have it at home, so we will try to do the bun without it. But if you have a mixer at home, just use the leaf attachment. So let's get started, guys. Okay guys, so you see the recipe, you saw how to make it. You can see that it's very easy with or without the mixer, so as you want. And now we are going to cook the bun, the Christina bun, for at 180 degrees for 25 minutes, and we will see the result. Of course, for the first time, just check your oven that everything is okay, the time is fine, and the temperature is okay, because you know that sometimes something can change. I always use static oven, and you can use this bun. So I will show you one more time. Look at how beautiful it is, very, very nice. And you can use it for breakfast, for afternoon snack, afternoon tea, for a picnic. You can cut in slice, and these were really, really good. So let's cook it. It's time. See you in 25. Hi! After 25 minutes, I am ready to show you the Christina bun cooked. So, are you curious? I'm sure you are. Bye! As you can see, it's really easy to make. We hope to see your Christina's bun, and subscribe to our channel as good as we can, and we hope to see your masterpiece. So Martina, get ready, it's your turn, baby.